This is a DJ controller, DDJ-FLX4 DJ controller, designed by Alpha Theta Corporation in Japan. The best thing about this is that it works with iPhone, iPad, iPod, even Android devices. So there are apps for this. You could basically DJ with your iPhone. Let's open this thing. Here there's no seal. Okay. With a cable also. So hopefully this is not gonna be a drop test video. Okay, box is out of the way. This part should be here. Booklet information here. There is also a USB-C to USB-C cable. Okay, so pretty decent USB cable. One USB port for power delivery and also another for the data. DDJ-FLX4. I don't know why I like to call it FLX4. Let's get to business. I want to try to take this out of the packing without breaking anything. So let's see. Oh, wow. Yeah. Wow, this smells. Oh, it feels so nice. And it's rubbery. I love buttons, but and this is pretty nice, smooth. Oh, and this is very that's the QR code to register the product. These buttons are pretty hard to press. Oh, the Q and play are nice. Okay. So this is the navigation. You browse things, so you load, then you browse things, and you adjust. Okay, so you have the branding here, performance DJ controller, DDJ-FLX4 Rekordbox Serato. That's the mic level, microphone level, the headphones. You have your headphones here, the level. With this, you can actually assign some of these pads here to do the stem splitting in the Rekordbox. 3.5mm jack for headphones. There's nothing here. There is nothing here. Most interesting things you have at the back here. This is for power only. That's for data, mono or stereo. You have the master output for speakers, right and left. This is not an amplifier, so you need active speakers. Then a microphone input, unbalanced microphone input, and there is also a little knob for attenuation here, very tiny. Lock. This is the label of the controller, some information here, so it needs 9 volt 3 amps input, designed by Alpha Theta Corporation in Japan. It has some rubber feet here and lots of regular screws, so it could be opened. It feels pretty cheaply made, but I believe it's a really good price. The thing, these faders, they actually feel pretty good. This one feels nice, smooth, very smooth. And this one is very fast if you want to do like some kind of scratching or something like this. These knobs are pretty smooth, so everything is nice and smooth here. Okay, so this is the unboxing of the Pioneer DDJ-FLX4 Flex 4. Thanks for watching.